The kidneys are organs on both sides. They balance body water and minerals and regulate blood pressure. They also filter and clean blood. Waste is excreted in urine. Each kidney receives blood through the renal artery. A branch of the aorta. Blood is filtered by nephrons to make urine. Each kidney has about 1 million nephrons. Nephrons have glomeruli and tubules. Filtering turns blood fluid into urine, which then leaks out of blood vessels, forming a structure called renal capsule. Glomeruli are in the kidney's outer cortex. Urine flows to tubules. Then collecting ducts, it exits via ureters and urethra. Kidneys and urinary tract face many diseases. Kidney stones are most common. They appear as hard lumps, often made of calcium. They can grow, causing pain, bleeding, or infection, more common in older men. Follow us for further informative videos. Thanks for watching.